you're going to be given this. The instructions are going to say factor, and that's your answer. So let's talk about how this works, in case you don't remember. Let's do another one. Let's do 7. So, like the first two make x squared. That's easy, right? But then the outside, it makes 7, and the inside makes 5. So that's 12x, right? Is that good? Remember? And then 7 times 5 is 35. Do you see? So what's going to happen today? They're going to tell you, hey, what multiplies together to make that? And that's your answer. Yes, sir? Nope, doesn't matter. You could do x plus 7 times x plus 5. It would still be 7 plus 5 plus 7 and 5 times 7. Same thing. Yeah. That's what we're going to learn how to do. So here's what you got to do. Watch, I'm going to make one up. Let's see here. Let's say it says factor. Let's do x squared plus, oh boy, 10x plus 16. X squared plus 10x plus 16. Here's what you look for. Check this out. You look for two numbers that, and you have to do it in order, that multiply to 16 and add to 10. That's what you're looking for. 8 and 2, right? That's what you're looking for. But you have to do it in order. Like, you don't figure out what adds to 10 first. You figure out what multiplies to 16 first. So it could be 4 times 4, right? But 4 times 4 doesn't add to 10, so that doesn't work. It could also be 16 times 1. But 16 plus 1 isn't 10. The last chance is 8 and 2. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 plus 2 is 10. So your answer would be x plus 8, x plus 2, or it could be this way. You see how it works? Nina, what do you think? Pretty good? Yeah? Okay. So we're doing okay, Chris. Does it seem hard? Kind of a little weird way to think, right? All right. So, Mateo, we're only today we're only going to do where everything's the same sign, they're all positive, and the first number is going to be 1, like this, just like this. Okay? So today we're going to make it as easy as possible, Alan. All right. You ready, Angie? Angie, how do you write with your pen like that? That's weird. I don't know either. Okay, check this out. I'm going to do another one, and I'm going to have you guys do some. Sean, stop looking over there. Sean, every time you look over there, your IQ goes down by 2 points. True story. Look up here, because then your IQ goes up by 7 points each time. All right, focus. Sean, check this out. I'm going to write down what I think, but not what I usually write down when I do the math. So, Mia, let's say I had... Let's say I had to do this one. Let's say it said factor x squared plus 10x plus 25. So what you first do is you look for what multiplies to 25. So I think about it. Well, there's 2 numbers that multiply to 25, but that's it. 2 pairs. That's it. So I make the list of, in my head, I make all of the numbers that multiply to 25 first. Then I add them up. If I add that up, that's 26. If I add that up, it's 10. Do you see what I mean? So I'm looking for 10. I got 10 by adding these two. So x plus 5 times x plus 5. Yes, sir, Jalen?
Yeah, x plus 5 squared.
Dang. Of course. Same thing. One isn't better than the other. It doesn't matter. Enrique, how do you feel about that? Pretty good? Let me walk you through a tough one. You ready, Chris? Let me think of a tough one. Oh yeah, here's a tough one. Ready? X squared más 11x más 24. 24. However you want to go, Iran. Either way. You could say 24 or 24 for that number. But that number is where you start. You start figuring out what number multiplied 24. So it could be 1 and 24, it could be 2 and 12, it could be 3 and 8, it could be 4 and 6. You think about all of them. But you start with the numbers that multiply first. Then you see which of those adds to 11. It's that pair. That's your answer. X plus 3, x plus 8. That's your answer. You could do it the other way. That could be the 8, that could be the 3. It's okay. What do you think, Mateo? Can you handle this? Yeah? You sure? What if I gave you this one, though? What if I gave you x squared plus 14x plus 24? What would it be? 2 and 12? Because 2 times 12 is 24. 2 plus 12 is 14. All right. What if I gave you x squared plus 25x plus 24? What would that be? Nicole, do you see what that would be? 1 and 24, right? So it would be x plus 1 and x plus 24. What if I gave you x squared plus 10x plus 24? What would that be? 4 and 6. Do you see? You see, all four of those are different because they all use the different factors of 24. Alan, you got to get 100 today. Right? Right, Alan? Yeah. Hey, how was that Snickers bar? You didn't eat it? No wonder you look sad. You're not you. Yeah, you're not you when you're hungry. All right. You guys ready to try one? I want to try one just by yourself. I want to only give you like 30 seconds. That's it. Fast. Pressure. Right, Carlos? Okay. Ready? Are you ready, Cassie? Okay, Cassie, here we go. X squared. So here's the instructions. Factor. Let's do x squared. Let's do plus 11x más 28. 30 seconds. Go. So just write down your answer when you get it. You got it? You got it? What's your question? Oh, you don't get it? Okay, just hold on. Just hold on. You got 10 seconds left to hold on. 10 seconds left. You got it. Ooh-ah. You got it? Yes. Don't worry. I'll show you right now. Okay, there's 30 seconds right there. Hopefully you're done. Did you get x plus 7, x plus 4?
Yeah.
Check this out. Here's what you do first. Look at that number and you figure out what numbers multiply to make 28. So it's 1 and 28, 2 and 14, 4 and 7. That's it. And then you see which of these two numbers add up then to make 11. So that would be 4 plus 7. So there's your answer. How many of you guys got it right? Oh yeah, first try? Pedro, what's wrong with you? You want to talk smack. You want 100 so you can talk smack, huh? That's the only reason. He doesn't even care about learning. He just wants to talk smack. Is that true? No? Okay. Otro más? Listo? You ready, Eric? Did you get it right? Yes. You're going to put it in Daniel's face. You're like, look, tu cara. And he's going to be like having 100 too. He's going to be like, tu jefa. Uh-huh. All right. So, factor. Let's see here. Oh, should we make a tough one?
Yeah.
Let's make a tough one. You ready? No, we're not going to do any negatives today. I want to make sure we got this first. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, boy. Yeah, this is making me nervous. Oh. 30 seconds. You already got it? Este vato. Come on, don't Cam Newton it. Let's go. Yeah. You got it, Jalen? Yeah. Enrique, you got it? No? What about Steve? You got it? So if you don't have it, you need to make a list of what numbers multiply 132. There's really not very many of them. There's not. Yes, sir. This is way harder than anything on the quiz today. How many guys got it? Hey, tell me, is 12 times 11 132?
Yes.
Is 12 plus 11 23?
Yes.
So is it x plus 11 times x plus 12? If you didn't get it, is it because you didn't know what multiplied to 132? Yeah? You got it. Sugar la mano. Did you get it? You done? Yes. Sugar la mano. I learned all of my Spanish from Nacho Libre. Like everything. Like even, get that corn out of my face. Like I learned that line. Nacho Libre. That's Spanish, right? Isn't that Spanish? No? Oh, bummer. Not K. All right, Brandon. Easy one this time then. Let's go. You ready? Okay. Irani, you got to get 100 today. Yeah. There you go. 30 seconds. Roberto's confident. Are you confident? Yeah. Daniel, you got it? Not yet? You're thinking. Cassie, did you get it? Like, you know you're right, because, like, when you do it, you know you're right. Right? Right. Right? Right. Yeah. You got this. You're going to get 100, Brandon? Yes. Edith, you got it? Yes. Is it 2 and 7?
Yeah.
X plus 2? X plus 7? Are we good?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Dang. Yvonne, you sad today? Tired. I'm tired too, Yvonne. Alright. How many of you guys feel like you're not ready for the quiz like that? Like you're not going to get 100 yet? How many of you guys are not ready? Okay. How many of you guys are sure you're going to get 100, like right now? Alright, alright. How many guys are, you feel like when we do the quiz, in like a few minutes, it'll be a little while, like you're pretty sure you're going to get 100 by the time you get a little more practice. Like all you need is a little bit more practice. All right, so good. Some of you guys are like, I don't even need the practice. All right. So let's do this. Let's do timer. We're going to do the timer, and we're going to do a couple problems right here. Right. So let's do number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, just like the quiz. 1, 2, 3, 4, just like the quiz. You ready? What if it was a different letter? What if it wasn't X? Would that bother you? No? So like if it was K squared plus 15K plus 56, that would be okay? And what if it was A squared plus, oh boy, 20A plus 100? And please don't let me trick you. Please don't let me trick you. Please don't let me trick you. Last one. Oh, wait a minute. We're going to do 6 right here. We're going to do 6. Because there's 2 on here that I think that we need practice on. There. 4 minutes. When you're done, check with someone.